Hey guys, I hope everybody's taking care and being blessed today. Today's video is going to be just a little something different. I know you just seen Rain. I am actually going to show you guys how because everybody be, let me go back. Everybody be like, oh, you dress her so cute, you dress her so cute. I always dress my dog guys and all kind of stuff. This is one of her new outfits right here. I find, and they always ask me where do I find them at. I find them at all kind of places. I find them on Amazon. I find them at Walmart when I use little kids onesies. I find them at Marshall, everywhere. So just look around. And you know another spot that I never ever go in, but I just happen to go in because I'm always going to this, I call it a used place. You guys, like a Goodwill. It's not Goodwill though, but I went in there and I looked in the kids' clothes. And when I say guys, they have some great stuff, that too. So my puppy is up to 6 to 9 months now. When I first started her wearing a little kid clothes, she was wearing like a size 3 months. So she have gotten big. And what I always do is I was letting her wear the little onesies, and they were so cute, so cute. And I would just cut, and all you got to do, guys, is just cut her tail out. Just cut her tail area out. You could be able to do it, you can put it on them this way. Just put it on them, you know, put it on normal, put them on this way, or you can put it on that way. You see which way works for you, but I find, to be honest with you, when you put the logo, you really get to see the cuteness, but even when they sit up, you can see it too. So try it both ways. Try this way and try that way on your puppy and see which way is better. Again, their back is going to be laying like this, and you just see, do you like it this way or this way? You can tell the difference because you're going to be cutting a little bit different with the tail, and you might not even have to cut. You might be able to get the tail through like some of the snaps. Like if you don't snap all the snaps, and you might be able to do that, but some dogs don't have tails. So just wanted to tell you that. What I'm about to do, like I said, you guys, she is too big for this now. I find like this is really good. The only thing about these onesies, I thought they were pretty cool. She kept them on, she didn't buy them. But like when they start getting, I'm not even gonna say older, I just feel like to me it's much easier to have a shirt on, so you don't have to unsnap it when they are taking potty. Another good thing is when you buy the dog clothes, they make it that you usually don't have to remove their clothes. They usually, because you see how it's got like a little thing around here. You see how that's made, and I love it. I got some pajamas too, y'all. Oh, I love the pajamas, y'all. I got these pajamas from Amazon, and I like the way that they made because she can keep them on. It goes on her feet, but she still have her you know, her area that she got a pootie or pee-pee is out. So it makes it so much easier, so much easier. And I am going to be having an Amazon store, y'all. So please stay tuned. You guys know I love Amazon. I would love for you guys to check out the store. It's going to be all the things. Pootie, she's trying to let me know she want to go somewhere, y'all, in her stroller later. It's going to be all the different things that I purchased off Amazon, so you guys can be able to check it out. But what I'm going to do now, y'all, is I just purchased her some new clothes. And like I said, you can get either dog clothes or baby clothes. I like to get the onesies. I got a jacket for her in the kids section. You just have to sometimes tweak it to make it work for you. So let's go ahead and do this. So what I'm going to do, y'all, is I am going to cut. I have to check on her. What you doing, boo? I'm going to go ahead and just cut this. Sometimes, guys, I'm not going to lie to you, I don't always use measurements and all that stuff. You'll find the more you do it, the better you get. Like sometimes you might make a mistake and cut it too short. Then if you cut it too short this time, well, next time cut it a little longer. If you wind up doing it straight and you want to be able to do it curved, well, just curve it. You will find what works best for you and your dog. I'm just showing you cheap options, very cheap options that you could just buy in the kids section. Sometimes what I do, y'all, too, is you see how these onesies is. I just, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna just cut this off. And like I said, y'all, I really don't even measure, and it wind up coming out really cute. But you want to measure. Rain, what are you doing, boo? And just go around this marking that you already have, and you will get you a nice little effect like that. And then what I do is I just kind of pull it a little bit. By the time you wash it and stuff, it's gonna look nice and cute. And once you get it on them, it's gonna be really, really cute, guys. I'm telling you, you don't have to sew it, none of that stuff, and it still look cute as long as you kind of give it a good pull, because you stretching the seams out. And like I said, all I did was make sure you just go around, take off the snaps, and now she have a shirt. And like I said, if you want to be really pretty down dirty with it, really, really, you know, get it straight, you can always take your time and get it straight. This is just for video purposes and show you what I do. And it looks really, really cute. What I like to do, guys, now, because she is, like I said, she is much taller now. So what I do is I go ahead, I'm just going to go ahead and just cut this because I want it to just be straight. And if you cut this and you put it on them and you like, oh my God, I don't want it to be straight. I want it to be a certain way. Like I said, either you can fix this one. Always pull it like this. When you pull it like this, it gets those crazy looking straight ends looking better. But like I said, say for instance, if you cut this and you was like, oh my God, it's too short, it's not long enough, just either do it better next time or go back in. Just always try to cut it a little bit shorter. I mean, longer than shorter. Do you get what I'm saying? Don't like go way up here. Like try to cut it as short as possible. So just in case you might have to cut it, you can. Another way to cut it. These so cute. Look at these. They're gonna be some cute shirts. I'm gonna try it on her so you guys can see. But like I said, sometimes guys, I like to go at like a little angle like this, or sometimes I like to keep it straight. It just all like an oval angle. It just all depends on what y'all feeling. It just all depends. So we're gonna take this one. And like I said, if I do use it as a onesie, I would just go ahead and measure, not even measure, like I would just put it on, kind of see where her tail at, like kind of be like, you know, kind of put like my little thing so I can see where her tail is, and I just cut. I would just cut it just right there, and then you just kind of pull it out, and then her tail comes out. I don't want that to this one, but like I said, if you use this and keep it as a onesie, which is cute too, especially for jammies. Like to me, I like to be able to do that when she about to go to sleep. I don't know. I just think to me, that's a good onesie. Or if they got surgery done, you know, put some onesies on them. And like I said, just find out where their tail is, and just take that little piece and just take you some scissors and cut it. And then just open it up if you have to open it up. And then you have you some ones, and it's so much cheaper doing it this way. Okay, so let's go ahead, and like I said, if you wanted to make sure it's straight, take you some cardboard, a nice fresh piece of straight cardboard, and just cut it right down, follow it and cut it. But I'm not doing that. Y'all know how I am. I'm just giving y'all the just. You go in and make it better, but I'm telling you, it looks so cute. Okay, so what we're gonna do now, I think I am going to fold it like this. No. Because I want to keep it kind of at that angle. And the thing, like I said, that I love, if you want to, you can take one, because I wanted to try this, and it would be this way, how they kind of got this like sectioned off. I said one day I'm just going to just try that and see how do I like that, because I would love to, especially like sometimes when the shirts are long, they be kind of hanging. So if you are able to get you some dog clothes and look how they got it, it can be able to help you out if you want to cut it, you know, a certain way, if you want to have like a high-low type deal. Okay, so let's go ahead and cut this. I'm gonna cut this like this. And I'm just following this guide. And I do my own clothes like this, y'all. I don't measure none of that. Like if I feel like I want to cut my clothes, I cut my clothes. I've been doing this since I've been young. Okay, so I'm telling you guys, this is going to look really cute on. It's going to have like a little oval effect. If you look at it, I have to keep these snaps on, or I could take it off. I'm going to see how it is just leaving it on. It's going to be my first time leaving it on. So here we go, guys. Got her a cute little shirt, and it was so cheap. I'm just giving y'all, things. I'm telling you, if you put dog clothes on, you do not have to purchase actual dog clothes. But don't get me wrong, when you purchasing dog clothes, they are made a little bit better. So all you got to do is just mimic how they're doing it with the clothes. But I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to probably do that a little later. But look, now I got shirts, and it's so much easier. So when she goes to the bathroom, I don't have to you know, be unsnapping it. But like I said, it's still cute if you want to keep the onesie situation, because I liked that too, but just cut out the tail because both of them was cute. Okay, guys, I'm finna see if she let me try it on her, and we'll be back. Come here. Show them your shirt. See? She ain't gonna let you see it. Come here, Pootie. Come get a snacky. Come get your snacky. Come here. Come get the snacky. Let's see if she coming out. She probably. Come here. Come get your snacky. Okay, y'all. She ain't gonna come, so I'm gonna take some pictures. Bye, y'all. Tip. I totally forgot. My puppy. She don't like anything like on her tail, so it was hanging really low. So I had to wind up cutting that little snappy thing off. So if they do get to the point that they don't like it, just kind of cut it a little shorter, okay? This one, guys, I did the way that all the other doggy stuff is. So she has, like how they have the stomach out, and she able to pee, which you can pee with those shirts, but now I don't got to worry about it being too long on each side. So I did do one, and I like it like that too. So whichever way you want to do it, it's good. Just let me know, guys, if you try it, and don't forget to hashtag me in it. We'll call it DIY doggy clothes, okay? Tip, make sure you have some really, really good scissors, because you got to be able to cut them, and only use those scissors for cutting clothes. I will go buy some new ones, because I'm telling you, those other scissors do not cut clothes good. I went to Hobby Lobby and I purchased this from Hobby Lobby. You know how they got that 40% off? I think these was like regular 20-some dollars. I had a 40% off coupon, and that's the way I got those. Okay, you can always Google Hobby Lobby 40% coupon or Joann Fabrics, and then you can be able to get it that way. Get you a discount, girls. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Please, guys, like this video if you like this video. This is what helps me to be able to get my videos seen. I need more likes, most definitely. If you like this, I would greatly appreciate it. If you like my channel, I would love for you to subscribe. It's free, okay? Be blessed, guys. Bye.